Hello everyone, and welcome to today's comprehensive guide about managing weight during the holiday season. And today we'll be diving deep into practical strategies that actually work. We create high-quality, engaging videos using AI, focusing on credible and trustworthy content, and today's topic is particularly relevant as we enter the festive season. Let's begin by acknowledging something we all know. The holiday season is essentially the official kickoff of what I like to call the annual Fat Storage Festival. It usually starts subtly with Halloween candy, then snowballs through Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, and doesn't really let up until after Easter. It's a months-long parade of delicious temptations, and our bodies are programmed to make the most of it, and not in a good way. First, let's understand why this period is particularly challenging. During winter months, our bodies naturally tend to store more fat. It's an evolutionary response from when food was scarce during cold months. Add to this the abundance of holiday treats and social gatherings, and we're facing a perfect storm for weight gain. Let's start with what actually works, based on both scientific research and personal experience. I'm going to be completely honest here, some of these methods might not be what you want to hear, but they're proven to be effective. The single most effective strategy I've found is implementing high-intensity interval training, workouts during the holiday season. Here's why it works so well. HIIT sessions can be as short as 20 to 30 minutes. They continue burning calories hours after you've finished exercising. They help regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial during a season of sugary treats. They're flexible and can be done at home with minimal equipment. The ideal schedule is to do HIIT every other day, especially on the days of major holiday meals. Yes, that means working out on Christmas Day and New Year's Day. It might sound extreme, but it's incredibly effective at offsetting those extra calories. The second most effective strategy is intermittent fasting, specifically the 16/8 method. Here's how it works. You have an 8-hour window for eating. The remaining 16 hours are your fasting period. Most people choose to eat between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. Water, black coffee, and tea are allowed during fasting periods. This approach is particularly powerful during the holidays because it naturally limits your eating window. It helps regulate insulin levels. It makes it easier to control total calorie intake. It's flexible enough to work around holiday meals. Now, let's talk about practical strategies for navigating holiday meals and social situations. Being the host gives you control over ingredients used, cooking methods, portion sizes, available alternatives. You can prepare healthier versions of traditional dishes without anyone noticing the difference. For example, using Greek yogurt instead of heavy cream, reducing sugar in desserts, including more vegetable-based sides, offering fruit-based desserts. Here's how to handle social situations. The direct approach. Be honest about your health goals. Communicate clearly but positively. Thank people for understanding. Offer to bring a healthy dish. The subtle approach. Keep a drink or small plate in hand. Eat slowly and mindfully. Position yourself away from the food table. Engage in conversations away from eating areas. Let's break down what to avoid and what to embrace. High-risk foods to minimize. creamy casseroles, rich pastries, sugary cocktails, cheese-heavy dishes, processed snacks, multiple desserts. Better choices. Lean proteins, roasted vegetables, fresh seafood, clear soups, fresh fruit, sparkling water with fruit. Managing the mental aspect is crucial. Mindset preparation. Set realistic goals. Plan for occasional indulgences. Focus on maintenance rather than loss. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Stress management. Practice mindful eating. Get adequate sleep. Maintain regular exercise. Use meditation or relaxation techniques. Even with the best plans, you might have some setbacks. Here's how to handle them. Quick recovery protocol. Return to normal eating immediately. Increase water intake. Get back to exercise routine. Don't attempt extreme measures. Long-term perspective. Track progress without obsessing. Adjust strategies as needed. Maintain consistent habits. Focus on overall health. Remember, the holiday season doesn't have to mean inevitable weight gain. By implementing these strategies, regular heat workouts, intermittent fasting when appropriate, mindful food choices, social situation management, quick recovery protocols, you can enjoy the festivities while maintaining your health goals. The key is finding the right balance between celebration and moderation. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more evidence-based health and wellness content. Leave a comment below sharing your own holiday season strategies, and remember to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos.